Typography inside Photoshop requires design thinking, not decoration. Text must serve hierarchy and readability before style. Begin by defining purpose, headline, support, or annotation. Adjust tracking and leading manually rather than relying on defaults. Font pairing should be contrast-based, not similarity-based. Use scale differences to establish dominance instead of color alone. Rasterize text only when necessary, preserving editability as long as possible. Apply subtle layer styles sparingly. Readability collapses under excessive effects. Align text optically, not mathematically. Visual centering often differs from numerical alignment. Strong typographic control transforms Photoshop from an image editor into a complete visual communication tool.